Hey there, and welcome to Money Nuggets. I'm Christian, and I'm here to help you make better financial decisions through lessons from the best books on how to build long-term wealth. Today, I'm reviewing the book The Latte Factor by David Bach. Keep watching to learn what you need to know about the key lessons from the book and why it is worth it. In this book, David Bach introduces us to Zoe, a young woman facing common financial struggles. The story revolves around a simple yet powerful concept, the latte factor. Bach lays out three key principles that are the foundation of the latte factor concept. The first one is to pay yourself first. Allocate a portion of your income to savings or investments. Second, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to make saving a breeze. And third, live rich now. Prioritize spending on what brings you true happiness within your means. The latte factor isn't about depriving yourself of small pleasures. It's about redirecting even a seemingly small amount, like the cost of a daily latte, towards your financial goals. Bach emphasizes the power of compound interest, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Bach encourages us to start small, take consistent steps, and gradually increase our savings. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about building financial freedom over time. Beyond just saving and investing, the latte factor is a guide to changing financial habits and mindsets. Bach stresses the significance of financial literacy and urges readers to believe in their ability to achieve their goals. Bach encourages us to adopt a broader perspective on financial freedom, encompassing various aspects like eliminating debt, planning for retirement, and pursuing our passions. It's about investing in yourself, whether through education or following your dreams. Before I share my final thoughts, I want to remind you that you can find a link to the book I reviewed in the description below. There's also a 30-day free trial on Amazon Audible that lets you get The Latte Factor for free. That's a great way to start learning valuable financial education as soon as today. The Latte Factor is a valuable read for anyone new to personal finance. It offers an engaging narrative, actionable advice, and a holistic perspective on financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but what you do with what you have. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe now and ring the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest personal finance book reviews. I'm always adding new content to help you learn about the best guides on wealth building, investing, and achieving your financial goals. Have a great day.